Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 28, 2025, just yesterday. The big punchline is a new benchmark showing that the best search agent scores only 13.73% unless it gets the missing context, where performance jumps to 71.50%, revealing overconfidence and poor interaction. The paper is titled InteractComp, Evaluating Search Agents with Ambiguous Queries, and the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond the headline, the work curates 210 ambiguous cases, tests 17 models, shows forced interaction lifts accuracy, and tracks stagnation over 15 months despite rising search scores. Alright, Figure 1 contrasts rapid gains on complete search with stalled progress on ambiguous queries. The left chart shows browse comp climbing sharply, with state-of-the-art accuracy rising about 7-fold. The right chart stays nearly flat, with accuracy hovering near 10%. This gap matters because agents succeed when everything is specified, yet they fail to ask clarifying questions when intent is uncertain. So Table 1 grounds the idea with a concrete task instance that demonstrates why interaction is required. This table shows an ambiguous question plus a distractor that sounds plausible, while the hidden context uniquely points to the true answer, Hornison. Target distractor design means pairing the correct item with a popular lookalike that shares many attributes, so guessing is tempting. The setup expects the agent to ask clarifying yes or no questions to uncover those distinguishing details. Table 1 just grounded the design with a concrete case. Figure 2 summarizes the dataset shape. Okay, the pie chart highlights science and engineering as the largest slice, around 21%. Humanities follows at about 18%. The top histogram shows question length clustered near 60 words, so prompts stay compact. The bottom histogram shows context length is broader, peaking near 80 words. Some contexts stretch past 200 words, which ensures enough clues for disambiguation. Figure 2 summarized the dataset makeup. Table 2 compares 17 models across interaction, performance, and cost. The top score reaches 13.73%, which signals that ambiguous queries remain hard. Interaction rate varies widely. One model asks in 73.95% of rounds. That model delivers 7.14% accuracy. A steadier approach sits near 44.72% interaction, and that setting aligns with 13.08% accuracy. Calibration improves with more interaction, since aggressive questioners show lower calibration error, such as 37.44. So Table 3 tests whether interaction is the missing piece. It reports that answer-only accuracy hovers near 6% for strong models, which signals guessing without uncertainty awareness. Search only barely helps, rising to about 10%, because retrieval cannot expose the hidden context. With full context, accuracy jumps to roughly 72%, showing the knowledge was there all along. Calibration error, which measures how far confidence deviates from correctness, falls to about 7% for the top run. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Agents rarely detect ambiguity or ask clarifying questions, so accuracy stalls near 14%. Yet with full context, the same systems leap to about 72%, which signals knowledge is latent but unused. The broader implication is clear. We need training and evaluation that reward uncertainty, awareness, and proactive questioning. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.